माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
क्वेश्चन नंबर 16।
Yes, sir.
बैठ जाइए। No, please don't create. Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. The credit agreement of US
A statement is laid on the
$100
table of the
million for
House, sir.
activating universal access to early and effective
Thank you.
tuberculosis care.
Please
was
ask your
signed
question.
between Government of India and the World Bank
Question. Supplementary, please.
in 2014. The 2015-16 the project has been able to claim only $14.42 million. They also say there is a huge fund deficit in TB program with reports suggesting that an additional fund of 1750 crores is required. Sir, I would like to ask, with the huge funding and deficit and the inefficient and delayed use of the World Bank loan funds, how has the RMPCP been adversely affected? Whether implementation of planned activities and procurement of medicines under the RMPCP have been delayed due to shortage of funds? If yes, details thereof and corrective action if any.
First of all, the program has not been affected. It is a program, sir, for tuberculosis. There are three agencies. Number one agency is the budgetary provision domestically. Number two is the Global Fund. And number three is
Mike,
the World Bank.
Please sit down.
Which gives
Sit
the
down.
fund. World Bank which gives the fund. Sir, in this program, World Bank had given a fund of 100 million. And in 100 million, this was for
भैया मत कीजिए. Don't do this. Don't do this. Go back to your places.
for excess accelerated
Don't do this. Please go back to your places.
for early and effective TB control and for drug sensitive and drug resistant tuberculosis.
Please go back.
In the public
Please sit
sector
down.
and in private sectors also, sir. Sir,
Please sit down.
by March 31st, 14.4% of the budget has been spent. Now, 60%, that is 90% is to be spent on the procurement of drugs, and the rest 5% for the services, and the rest 5% for the procurement of commodities.
Thank you.
Sir, so keeping that factor in view, we have done a hybrid program where we have restructured the whole system and the fund is being utilized.
Second supplementary.
Poses a sizable threat to
Please don't do this. Go back to your places.
majority of the patients access care in the private sector, where advanced essential TB diagnostic tests that can detect drug resistance and inaccessible to a majority of the population due to high costs.
Don't do
4,000,
this.
6,000.
Please go back to your
Major
places.
drivers of this price are 29% import duty and 1%
What is the
tax
question?
on TB diagnostic equipment. Why is the import duty not waived for such essential diagnostics and their consumables when social and economic implications?
Please ask your question.
Diagnosis can be devastating.
Sir, as far as the duty part is concerned, we have restructured, we have negotiated in such a way where the 6 million was there for the procurement, but it was done only in 2 million. So we have rather brought it, reduced the cost of procurement.
please go
and
back
it has
to your
been done
places.
accordingly, sir.
श्री बाबूराज पाटिल.
सभापति जी, आपके द्वारा माननीय मंत्री जी से मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ, यह जो राशि लेकर
मत
हम
कीजिए
इस
ये.
को
Don't do
कंट्रोल
this.
करने
Go
का
back to your
काम कर रहे हैं, वास्तव में इसका परिणाम कितना हुआ है और कितने वर्षों में ये टीबी रोग से भारत मुक्त होगा, इसके बारे में माननीय मंत्री बताने की कृपा करें।
सर, ये एक कंटिन्यूअस प्रोग्राम अभी तक चल रहा है RMPCP का। इसमें हमने नए इंटरवेंशन शुरू किए हैं। बीच में ये प्रोग्राम थोड़ा सा स्लगिश हो गया था, इसको ठीक करने का प्रयास किया गया है और बहुत से नए इंटरवेंशन लिए हैं। वी आर गोइंग एट अ वेरी फास्ट पेस and very soon we will be able to curb the tempo.
Please don't do this. 1 minute. Honorable members, go back to your places. This is not correct. House is adjourned for 30 minutes.